Oh!
I'm sorry.
Good morning. Welcome. Yay! For the first time.
First time.
In almost a year.
You guys may or may not know this, but I had double hip surgery at the end of last year.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the first hike with my new hips.
Oh my God. First hike attempt. I'm so proud of you.
We'll see how this goes.
For your recovery. You're amazing.
Thank you.
And I'm so excited to be back out there. And we have a lot of exciting stuff coming up, but most importantly, this little hike.
Starting here.
Right here, right now. Let's do it. What's going on? Welcome to Upper Macungie. We are at the Hassan Creek Nature Trail, ready to go on a short but potentially steep hike. But it's a really, really nice Labor Day morning, and I'm very excited to be out in nature and for fall to come up right now, because it is fall. Right, Krystal?
It's kind of not fall yet.
It is basically fall. As soon as September happens, it's fall. You agree? I know you do. Well, come on. Let's go do it. What are your thoughts so far on the Hassan Creek Trail?
I like it. It's not that old though, which kind of surprises me.
Yeah.
Like, it says, oh, it's on the base of an old cement company, but the cement company, it seems like, was here until the 60s.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh yeah, of course there's still a foundation here. Like, it wasn't that long ago.
It's pretty incredible that the earth reclaimed as much as it has since just the 60s.
That is impressive to me.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe there's hope after all.
But it's really cool so far. There were some old picnic tables, old foundations of old buildings, and while they're not that old, it is still cool to see them degraded in this way. So.
That is true, and honestly, I'm just happy to be out in nature.
That's right.
We haven't done any of this whole season.
Mm-hmm. And the weather is absolutely perfect.
It is.
Think that's loud enough?
I like it.
We found the waterfall. It's at the end of a half-mile hike. It's an old broken dam, and it has got some green, beautiful water flowing through a really cool, decrepit dam.
I'm going in.
She's going in. Yeah.
Oh, look at you. Good job.
I made it out here too. Less
oh my God,
wet.
it's so cold.
What do you rate this spot?
Oh, well, easy to get to.
Yeah.
No effort involved at all. And beautiful. So, like a 10 out of a 10.
Wet and wild. Yeah! Here I go.
Rock. It breaks.
Really? Show me.
Ugh.
Theoretically speaking. No! Broken a million!
Look, it all broke off from this. That's all. It's very strong right now.
Mm-hmm. It gets stronger? We are taking the trek back from the waterfall. It's about, what, 10-15 minutes if you're taking your time.
Yeah, it's nothing. It truly was a half mile on our pedometer count.
Bang for your buck. I love this. Is one of the best hikes I've ever been on. I'm not kidding. I really enjoyed this hike so much. It's simple, it's easy, and the waterfall is a huge payoff.
It is. And I had quite the mindful reconnection moment with nature. It's just good to be out. Ah! Still good to be out.
Yeah, no matter what, even if the trail tries to trip you up. And there you go, the Hassan Creek Nature Trail.
There you have it.
Complete. What? Way to go.
My first hike.
Yeah! I'm so proud of you. You deserve to be so happy.
I feel good.
You did incredible. And this is a long road to recovery.
I know.
I'm so happy for you.
We're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there.
Yeah! So many more hikes to come. So happy. Happy Labor Day, everybody. We have more hiking videos on the channel. Maybe we'll link to them.
Have some fun adventures coming up.
And a lot more fun adventures coming up.
We're not telling you yet. But if you follow us on Instagram, we did give a sneak peek into one of the massive adventures. So you can go check that out. We did tell them. We're not telling you yet.
So see you there, or see you here. See you later. Bye.
Bye.